Woo. Hot. You know what? I'm gonna have to take my hat off because it's just too hot. Like, it's just... What's up, everyone? It's me, ToneClassic, and today I'm gonna be doing a short thrift haul. Thrift haul. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a, you know, small thrift haul. It's not gonna be too long. Just showing you some things that I got. So if you wanna see what I got, then stick around. The first thing I got is this sweater. As you can see, I got this sweater from the Goodwill, and I know the tag is still on it. Girl, like, I'm gonna wash it. Don't drag me, okay? I just have it hanging up here for the purpose of being able to show you in the video. Got this sweater from the Goodwill. It's super cute. It's V-neck. It's not by like a brand that, oh, it's actually by Nautica. I misspoke. But I have a Ralph Lauren sweater that my father got me a while ago that is like this same style, but it's blue. It's like the same colors, but like inverted. So this is blue, this is white, so on and so forth. I like how it has, you know, kind of detailed stitching around the cuff and the dramatic V. There's a spot on it. It fell out the car when I was like grabbing stuff out the car. It fell on the ground. So I think that's what that's from. I'm gonna wash it. It'll be fabulous. The next thing I got is this. It's like a, what do you call this? A vest. It's not like a crop top, but it's like, I like how it's cropped like that. Like, it's short. It's really cute. It's very like, as if, you know, it's like Clueless, but make it black. This is not by a specific brand, Teasers. This was like $2, but I saw it at the thrift and I was like, oh, that's cute. I'd wear that. The next thing is like a little va-va-voom, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is what you wear when you need a little bit of razzle dazzle. You feel me? You can literally see, you can see the razzle dazzles in there. It's kind of sheer, as you can see. Like, you can kind of like see through it, which I like, you know, a little scandalous. It's very much so like a night at the Oscars, an afternoon at the Oscars. Yeah, I don't really know where I'd wear this, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. The last clothing thing is this Tommy Hilfiger sweatshirt. Isn't this cute? Like, look, I've always been obsessed with Tommy Hilfiger since I was little, even before it got cute on the wave. Like, I'm not gonna sit here and say I was always obsessed with Fila, or I was always obsessed with like all these other things that are catching back on, but Tommy Hilfiger was something I used to love. Like, I always used to love how he had the blue and the, I'm sorry, the red and the white little flag monogram. And when he had a real big on sweatshirts and crew necks and bags. Like, I just used to love Tommy Hilfiger. Like this, I looked up on this. I feel like this was a good find to be at a thrift store. You know what I mean? Like, this is when people say, oh, I go thrift, I thrifting. Like, I feel like this is the kind of shit they're talking about. The next thing I got is, this is a briefcase and it has a little nick on here. But like, if you have something white, I'm sorry, if you have something black and you get like a scuff like this or anything, literally like a black Sharpie marker will make this go away. So I wasn't too concerned about the nick. But yeah, it's Coach, if you can see. Like, I don't know if that's gonna, yeah, it's a Coach briefcase and it's leather, but it's like old and worn in. And I feel like for certain leather goods, authentic leather goods, when it's worn in, like, that adds like, you know, that adds a certain aesthetic to the bag or the jacket or whatever it is. The lady, she looked like she didn't even know what Coach was, honey. She was like, oh, okay, well, you can just have it for $1.98, I guess. And I was like, thank you, ma'am. Open up, girl. Okay, she's a little tricky. It's cute. It has like compartments, you know what I'm saying? Like, put my computer in here. The bag latches like that. I'm sorry, did you say something? Did you say something? Do you have those reports ready? I'll be waiting by the fax machine. Oh, I'm sorry, where's the fax machine? Oh, you don't have a fax machine? Okay, I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna go to Staples. The next thing I got is, I've actually already worn this. I've already like posted this on my Instagram, but this bag, this leather backpack, you guys, this is so cute. It's been worn, but that adds character to the bag, in my opinion. I have stuff in it because I've already been carrying it, but it has like a laptop. You can put your laptop in here. It has all of these compartments and pockets around, and then it latches like that. Like, these come up in here and button. Oh, like, let me just grab my bag. Like, it's like that kind of bag, like, I drink cappuccinos and take pictures of them, and like, my boyfriend has a beard. And so the last thing I'm gonna show you guys actually not closed at all, being that this is my first apartment, and I am going to do an apartment tour. Literally, you've already seen my room because of my videos, but whatever. I'm still going to do an apartment tour. I got these candles, and I just love that they're square like this. I love that they're this shape. Like, I feel like they're just so geometrically pleasing. This one is more of like a, as you can see, like it's like a, what is that, salmon maybe? Salmon, little salmon. And this is more like an ivory white color. This one actually has a smell. It's called like autumn, girl, I don't know, autumn something. It smells like, leaves. This one doesn't have a smell, so, but they're just cute. Like, they're the kind of candles that your grandma never lights, but she just has in her home because they look cute. Like, these are those kind of candles. So I don't know if I'm ever gonna actually light them, but okay. So that's the end of my haul. This was like unnecessarily long. This was just, it didn't need to be this long for like 7 things, but yeah, that's what I got from the thrift store. If you all thought those things were interesting, let me know in the comments. If you'd like to see another thrift haul video, let me know. If you'd like to see this makeup look, let me know. Make sure you check out my fashion and lifestyle blog, www.toneclassic.org. Hit that subscribe button. Shout out to all the new subscribers. I see you slowly but steadily. Follow me on Instagram at ToneClassic, and I will see you all in the next, I winked too early, and I will see you all in the next video. I will see you all in the next video. Oh honey, the wink is just off today. Like, whatever, bye.